Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to restore motion blur in After Effects with Vector Blur, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore motion blur in After Effects using Vector Blur, start by launching After Effects and opening your project. Import the footage you want to work with by dragging it into the project panel. Drag your footage onto the timeline to create a new composition. Select the layer that contains your footage. Go to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Hover over the Blur and Sharpen category and choose Vector Blur. Once the effect is applied, you'll notice a new Effect Control panel appears in the top left. In the Effect Control panel, you'll see options for adjusting the blur amount. To begin, set the blur amount to a value that suits your footage. Use the sample radius to define how much area surrounding the motion will influence the blur. Adjust the motion vector settings to enhance the blur based on the direction and speed of the motion. If needed, modify the strength and preserve alpha options to refine the look of the blur. Play your footage in the preview window to see how the changes affect the overall motion blur. Continue to tweak the settings until you achieve a natural motion blur effect. Once satisfied, render your composition to view the final output. This method will give your footage a smooth and realistic motion blur. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your specific project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.